Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are about to create 5 absolutely mind-blowing AI videos using Grok AI Imagine tool. We are starting with an APJ Abdul Kalam inspired selfie moment, then jumping a giant childish monster, a talking humanoid robot, a 3D animated girl, and finally a cinematic cooking video where a cat makes fish fry. And yes, every single prompt I use in this video is right there in the description, so you can paste them instantly and make your own AI video. Alright, let's not waste a second. Let's
You don't want to miss this video. It'll teach you how to turn any speech into a video like this.
In this video, we will use ChatGPT for scripts and Grok AI for videos. First step, open Chrome, type Grok AI and hit enter. Click the official website. Now sign up with using Google, Apple or Twitter. Super quick and boom, you are inside the dashboard. On the left side, hit the Imagine button. This is where the magic happens. You will see the Type to Imagine box. We are going to drop our prompts here and watch Grok explode with creativity. So many are thinking how to make videos in this. I will guide you step by step. Alright, first prompt coming in. I am entering a cinematic scene inspired by APJ Abdul Kalam taking a selfie with children. It will take time to generate the video. A warm cinematic scene of APJ Abdul Kalam taking a selfie with smiling children. Soft golden light, peaceful mood, inspirational and respectful atmosphere. The glow, the smile, the peaceful vibe. A real emotional moment frozen in time. Ultra realistic, masterpiece quality. Instead of directly generating a video with the prompt, you can first create an image. Once the image is ready, just open it and click make a video. This way you get endless image options. Choose any style you like before turning it into a amazing AI video. This is another video of APJ Abdul Kalam taking a selfie with the children. This one is crazy fun. A huge monster acting like a cute kid, stepping out a castle floating on clouds. Paste the prompt and click on generate. It will take time to generate the video. A giant monster appears from a floating castle but behaves like a cute child, waving, smiling, and talking playfully.
Can you
Colorful,
believe I
fun,
was made with
cinematic
free
animated
AI?
style.
Even my
The
mom
monster
doesn't
looks
believe it.
huge
I'm
but acts like
big,
a
but
total
my
legend,
brain
with
is
the cloud
loading.
castle looking straight out a fantasy movie. Alright, time to go fully science fiction, entering the robot prompt. A highly realistic humanoid robot speaks directly to the camera with perfect lip sync, metallic textures, glowing pure assets, and a futuristic neon background. Creates a high
Hello
budget
there.
science fiction
I'm
look.
here to
The
help
face
you.
movements, the
How can
blinking,
I
and
assist
expressions
today?
make it feel like a futuristic blockbuster. The details are absolutely insane. The eyes, the skin
Hey
texture,
there.
the
This
smile,
entire
everything looks
scene,
so
my
smooth and
voice, my
realistic.
movements
This
was
is next
made
level
by AI.
animation. And now the grand finale, dropping the full multi-scene cat cooking video prompt. Copy and paste the prompt and click enter. The video is going to generate. I am making cooking video in 3 scenes. Scene 1. In this scene, the same adorable orange cat begins preparing ingredients for a fish fry. Wearing a tiny chef hat and apron, the cat stands on a stool in a warm sunlit kitchen. As it touches the floor bowl, a light dust of flour realistic sticks to its hands. The cat looks at the camera and says, preparing ingredients, soft morning light, floating flour particles, and ultra realistic 3D details make the moment feel cinematic and charming. If you did not like this, you can scroll down and select any cat image and to make a video. Now scene 2 and scene 3 I have already generated before, so I won't be able to show now. But just to explain, scene 2 is where the same cat cleans the fish and starts cooking it on the stove. Scene 3 is where the cat proudly shows the final golden fish fry on a plate. After generating all these 3 scenes, we will combine these scenes into one complete cooking video so the story flows smoothly from start to finish. Now we are going to combine all these 3 scenes into one full video. So first open CapCut click on New Project, and then upload the 3 cat cooking videos, scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. Arrange them in order. Add smooth transition, adjust the timing, and boom, your full cinematic cat cooking fish fry video is ready.
Cooking the fish.
Final fish fry dish completed.
And that's how you create 5 insane AI videos using Grok AI. Remember, all the prompts are waiting for you in the description. So copy them, paste them, and start making your own cinematic AI content. If you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe and like and share for more tech tutorials.